Don't settle for ordinary air fryers when you can experience the exceptional performance of the Powerxl Vortex air fryer, the #1 best-selling air fryer brand in the United States. This innovative appliance brings you maximum crisp and golden fried crunch on all sides, revolutionizing your air frying experience. With turbo cyclonic vortex hot air circulation and an interior vortex wall, this air fryer ensures consistent and even cooking results. Say goodbye to half-crisp, half-soggy meals and indulge in crispy French fries, onion rings, fish, chicken, veggies, and even baked goods with little to no oil required. With the Powerxl Vortex air fryer, you can achieve optimal cooking results, saving up to 70% fewer calories from fat while enjoying even crispier, crunchier, golden fried taste and texture. Its space-saving countertop design and user-friendly controls make it a breeze to use for all your air frying needs. Get ready to elevate your cooking game with the Powerxl Vortex air fryer. Here are the key features of Powerxl Air Fryer Vortex 7 Quart Plus. Experience turbocharged air frying. With the Powerxl Vortex air fryer, you can enjoy the maximum crispiness and crunchiness of your favorite fried meals without the unhealthy oil. Its turbo-cyclonic vortex hot air circulation technology creates a whirlwind of superheated air, ensuring even cooking and optimal crispiness on all sides. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked foods and hello to perfectly golden brown onion rings, French fries, and more. You can even bake, roast, and broil with less or no oil, expanding your culinary repertoire and creating healthier versions of your favorite dishes. Experience the power of air frying with the Powerxl Vortex air fryer. Simplified cooking with presets. The Powerxl Vortex air fryer makes cooking a breeze with its 10 cooking presets. From air fry, roast, and air bake to broil, dehydrate, and reheat, you have a wide range of options at your fingertips. Create delectable dehydrated snacks like fruit leather and jerky, bake mouth-watering desserts, and even roast chicken, meats, and vegetables effortlessly. Whether you follow the air fryer recipes cookbook or program your own time and temperature, achieving precise heating and optimal cooking results has never been easier. Simplify your cooking routine and unleash your culinary creativity with the Powerxl Vortex air fryer. Convenient timer and auto shut-off. The Powerxl Vortex air fryer is equipped with a timer and auto shut-off feature, allowing you to cook with peace of mind. Choose from 10 digital presets for precise heating on almost any meal or customize the time and temperature to suit your preferences. Whether you're a busy family or a cooking enthusiast, the Powerxl Vortex air fryer provides a new solution for quick and convenient cooking. Enjoy delicious meals without compromising on taste or nutrition, and make the most of your time in the kitchen. Conclusion: upgrade your air frying experience with the Powerxl Vortex air fryer, the #1 best-selling air fryer brand. Enjoy maximum crispiness, even cooking, and incredible flavors with the turbo cyclonic vortex hot air circulation and interior vortex wall. Embrace healthier cooking with up to 70% fewer calories from fat, while still indulging in your favorite fried dishes. Simplify your cooking routine with the 10 cooking presets, and enjoy precise heating and cooking control with the timer and auto shut-off feature. Discover a new level of convenience, taste, and nutrition with the Powerxl Vortex air fryer.